Today I'm unboxing and reviewing Scheppach 3-in-1 drill machine, which is a screwdriver function as well as drill function as well as impact drill. So this is the package I got. I got the screwdriver without battery, but plus there is a starter kit which consists of a battery and a charging adapter. So let me get rid of this. How it looks. Manual, quite a big manual, almost all major languages, and this is the machine itself. This is this kind of a clip that you can attach with your trousers or work pants. Pretty simple packing. Nice color, does not look like a toy. Pretty good. So this is the impact function, this is the screwdriver function, and this is the drilling function. Okay, 2 speeds, and this is for the direction. Two-sided directional system, and in the center it is locked, so that is nice. Now if I press there, now this works, and in this position it is locked, and now here also it works. So nice, a bit of safety thing. Let's see this also. So it will go here, something like this. Yeah. Okay, so let's see the battery and charger starter kit. Again, a huge manual. Charging adapter, the quality seems pretty nice. And this is the 2 ampere-hour battery in a zipper pouch. That feels good. Super. So let's get started. I hope it is somewhat charged, like this. Nice. So here is the LED. Okay, this is the charging indicator. Okay. Wow, that is super. Nice. So let's put it to work. This is the quick release chuck. This is the torque level. So the higher we go, the more the torque. So right now here is the arrow, and it is at the lowest torque. There are 19 torque levels, and this is the mode selector. Right now it is in drilling. Then this mode, it is for screwing, and the third one for hammer drill. There are two modes. The first one is low RPM and high torque, and this is high RPM and low torque, and accordingly you can adjust the torque from here as well. So 1 to up till 19 into 2, so 30, in total 38 torque settings. And this place, we have two places for this belt clip also. Let's put it to work. Oh, let's attach. So I've got this set, and now let's attach it. This is another extension adjust attachment. So first I will get it little bit closer. Like this. Now it's become tight enough, and then we can use some attachments.